Hello aspirants, welcome to Patriot Indian. Recently, India and Seychelles had convened high-level bilateral meeting to strengthen strategic cooperation, fisheries, aquaculture and the blue economy. Let us discuss what exactly is it. So, India and Seychelles held a high-level bilateral meeting on 25th of August 2026 to strengthen cooperation in fisheries and the blue economy. The India side was led by Dr. Abhilash Likhi, Secretary, Department of Fisheries, while the Seychelles delegation was headed by Minister Wallace Cosgrove. The meeting was hosted by India's Department of Fisheries under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. So, in this meeting, both nations reviewed their existing partnership and looked at new ways to work together on sustainable use of marine resources. So, what exactly is this? Both the nations wanted to review the existing partnership and work together on sustainable use of marine resources. India highlighted its progress in the sector, sharing that national fish production has touched 19.7 million tons, with seafood exports worth 8.46 billion US dollars. So remember this, India's national fish production has touched 19.7 million tons and exports worth 8.46 billion US dollars. Discussions covered several technical areas including marine aquaculture, hatchery development, tuna fisheries, stock assessment, post-harvest technology, and marine conservation. Both sides also discussed using digital tools and artificial intelligence for fisheries monitoring and harvest management, along with improving tuna processing and reducing fish waste. To take things forward, both countries agreed on building an annual work plan, aligning regulations, enabling joint scientific research, and running pilot projects together. So, in a nutshell, what exactly the agenda is? One is sustainable use of marine resources. Another is uh, discussion on technical areas, especially with related to marine aquaculture and tuna fishery development, and also digital tools and AI for fisheries monitoring and harvesting management. And next, annual work plan. Okay, so objective. What exactly is the objective? The comprehensive agenda covered diverse technical areas for potential joint development. Joint development is a major objective, as we said, including marine aquaculture, modern hatchery establishment, tuna fishery optimization, stock assessment, advanced post-harvest engineering, and comprehensive marine conservation. Both countries explored immediate opportunities for knowledge transfer through targeted technical studies, structured fisheries, extension services, and formal institutional training programs. So, what exactly is the objective? Exact objective is diverse technical areas for potential joint development, including marine aquaculture, hatchery establishment, tuna fishery optimization, stock assessment, advanced post-harvest engineering, and comprehensive marine conservation with the use of technology. And the significant focus was placed on accelerating innovation and digital transformation within the sector. Innovation and digital transformation. The delegations explored concrete partnership in fisheries data system, monitoring, control and surveillance, infrastructure and the development of emerging technologies such as AI in harvest management. And additional emphasis was laid on value chain development, particularly for tuna processing. The major focus has been tuna processing and tuna fishery, and along with use of technology for monitoring, surveillance and control. Okay, and also to ensure long-term systemic progress. Both sides agreed on the necessity of a structured annual work plan so that both the countries can together work on developing their fisheries. Regulatory alignment, accelerated commercialization of joint scientific research, reciprocal laboratory access, and collaborative design of impactful pilot projects. So the uh, this has been the bilateral talk between the two nations, and please do follow us for more such information. Thank you.